Hi, to enable power saving mode on your Vivo V40, we need to go in the settings first and here search for the battery tab. After that, we can already see the studio apps battery saver and super battery saver. So what's the difference? In battery saver, the system will limit or turn off background activities, some visual effects and certain features. In super battery saver, it restricts the functionality of your phone and lower its performance. Only some apps are available in this mode. So, to enable it, just tap on the switcher like that. Here you would see this pop-up warning and you would need to select to turn on. And now we just enabled battery saver. And in this mode, your battery icon in the upper right corner become orange. Let me show you this once more. Now it's white, and when this mode is enabled, it's orange. And to reach this feature easily, we can simply swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, then swipe again to check more features, and here it would appear on the second, first or third page. In my case, it is on the second page, this battery saver. If it's light up blue, then it is enabled. We can tap it again and disable. Also, we can hold it and check its settings. And also, I noticed on the third page, I got super battery saver, so you can enable it in the control center as well. And you can also hold it and check its settings. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.